Michigan's most listened to Christian talk. The Bob Duco Show on 103.5 FM, WMUZ, The Light. You're listening to The Bob Duco Show as we continue our way through the news hour, news and politics, and a very interesting project being carried out by Ecclesia Church in Westland, Michigan. They've launched a reality TV show called Life Remodeled. One of the things they're going to do is build a house in 7 days and give it away to a family, which is pretty cool. Project is in collaboration with Each. We've heard a lot about that, of course. Everyone a chance to hear. Chris Lambert is the pastor of Ecclesia Church and joins me now. Pastor Lambert, thank you for being with us today.
Hey, Bob. Thanks for having me.
You bet. All right, so tell us about this. You're going to build a house in 7 days and give it away. How's that work?
7 days, yeah. Well, there's this area of Norwayne, or actually Westland, called Norwayne. I don't know if you've heard about it or what, but it's really struggling. And we're in Westland, so we felt like we really wanted to reach out to a local community. So this idea popped up months and months ago, about 7 months ago, and just kind of passed it on to different people, and they've really taken a hold of it. We've gotten 3 general contractors now who are on board, and they're going to oversee the project, and then we're just going to try to get about 350 volunteers to help make it happen.
Okay. And, 7 days, are you guys going to be going around the clock? Is there such a thing as a graveyard shift on this?
We are. There's going to be 3 8-hour shifts. So I'm counting on you for that midnight shift, Bob.
Yeah.
Counting on you, because I know you're not on the air then.
Oh, wow. Look at you. No. I'm running that. That's when I'm running my Chinese show. So.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, thanks. Where'd you guys come up with this idea?
It started with this guy named Alex McManus. He's here for Vision 360. I don't know if you've heard about that network. And he proposed the idea of a show, Clean House, to us. And we just kind of took that idea and turned it into Life Remodeled, which is kind of like Extreme Makeover Home Edition, but it's more holistic because we're actually going to do a lot more than just build a house and give it away.
Right. How do you determine who gets the house?
Good question. There's a screening process. To be an applicant, you have to currently live in the Norwayne district. People can apply online on our website, or we're going to get everybody in the community a hard copy form. They can send it in. We've got a committee we're assembling of social workers, people in the housing department, city officials. They're going to run through all the applications, narrow it down to 10. We'll pray through them. We'll do a lot of interviews and screening, and then we'll finally end up with the family we think is the best fit. Now,
is it going to factor in income levels, poverty levels? How much plays into this, how struggling or difficult someone's financial situation is? Sure. Well, if you've been to this area before, you'll recognize that it's very dilapidated and very struggling. About 95% of the kids in this area are on this school's free or reduced lunch program. About 85% of the calls to the police department and fire department are made for this area, so it's all very low income. But we're going to choose a family that has proven that they work hard through adversity. Maybe they've never been able to get to a place of peace, but it's not because they dug themselves there over and over. They've been working hard, they've proven it, and they really need a helping hand from a group of people who are passionate about. Sure. Well, it sounds like a great thing, and especially you guys collaborating in this effort with Each. Everyone a chance to hear. And folks, you can go to Ecclesia's website for more information at ecclesiadetroit.com. Of course, Ecclesia is EKKLESIA, Detroit.com. And their pastor, Chris Lambert. And Pastor, it's always a pleasure. Thank you so much for bringing this to our attention today. Hey, Bob, can you give out the Life Remodeled website as well, or do you want me to give it out? Yeah, what is it? It's liferemodeled.com. That's just LIFEREMODELED.com. Right. Liferemodeled.com. You got it. Chris, always a pleasure. Thanks so much. Thanks, Bob. You bet. Take care now. You're listening to The Bob Duco Show.